Okay, here we go. We got the slicer. Torinox. Looks pretty good. There's a couple dings on the end here. There, you can see it. Right there. We'll take it out. .418's not bad. Hey, most of the time you're gonna have a sharpener that puts an edge on it like this. We're gonna add a little compound cutting edge. It holds, even on softer metal, a sharper edge longer. Now you can see where there are gaps in that first pass burr. That's where the knife is duller than other parts of the knife. There we go, now we've worked it really consistent. Now keep your hone going on that one. Keep the hone going on that one.